How to fix lag in Roblox Mobile. So if you're playing any game in Roblox and it lags, click on the Roblox icon at the top left corner of your screen and then click on the settings option over here. Scroll down until you see this option called graphics mode, and from automatic change it to manual. And inside manual, try to put it on the lowest setting as possible and then try to play it again. It should work without any lag on your Roblox. And if it's still lagging, what I want you to do is just close the Roblox app. And over here, what you want to do is go to your phone's setting, click on general over here at the bottom, click on iPhone storage. Then what you want to do is scroll all the way down until you see the option called Roblox and click on it. Click on offload app, click on offload. Once you offload the app, it's going to show you a reinstall button. Click on it and reinstall it. Your problem should be fixed. And over here, check how much storage you have. So I have like 52 storage filled out of 64. That means I still have a lot of storage left. So my storage is not the issue. But in your case, you might not have a lot of storage. Like you might have less than 1 GB. In that case, you need to clear your storage and make more space. And then it'll stop to lag. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.